Hi everybody, for today's video I will share with you I did the I cord on my knitting machine, the 22 ADDY Express Professional. First I will cast on by passing one in the front, one in the back for the first 3 black needle and 1 white. So I will go like this and go and put the yarn, make sure the yarn go under the red bump, and then I will come back. Make sure you have a hook, a loom hook, to help your machine to lower the stitches. So make sure that the yarn go under this bump and then you come back. Make sure you don't grab the stitch with your needle when you go under the red bump like this. So I continue, make sure I push down. It's very important to always check your needle when you do a high cord. It's the same thing as you do for the flat panel, so you just have to add more needle or more stitch. So I got my 4 stitch wide and I will continue. Make sure that the yarn go under the red bump, so I go 1 stitch over and come back like this, pass through, make sure you go under and come back like this, pass through, under and come back. You could use this cord for your sweater, the hoodie, or to do a belt, or maybe do something for flowers. Make sure that, I'm sure you could do a lot of stuff with this. Or maybe hanging something on the wall. You could use that cord. It looks hard when you look at it, but when you achieve to know how to do it, you could do like whatever you need with it. There. And time to cut. When I cut, I will open the yarn feeder. And this is a fun part. I didn't cut it because I want to show you. So if it's happened to you, you will know how to fix it. So actually, I didn't go through the yarn feeder, so the stitches are stuck in the machine. They're not released. So even if I try to remove it, it won't work. So I have to go in front of the yarn feeder to be able to grab my stitches. So it's time to look at it and then stretch, 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 stretch like this. And I will pull on this side to close it, and on the ending side I will go and do like a loop, create a loop and going in the middle and pull, and voila, it's done. See you next week for a new video. Ciao, ciao.